In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move folders in Zoho WorkDrive. Zoho WorkDrive is a powerful cloud storage service that can greatly enhance your team's collaboration by providing a unified workspace for storing and managing files and folders. Whether you're looking to organize your personal files or your team's resources more effectively, understanding how to move folders is an essential skill. Once you've logged into your Zoho WorkDrive account, you'll land on the main dashboard. Here, you will notice several sections like Recent Files, Favorites, Shared with Me, Collect Files, My Folders, and Team Folders. Each of these areas serves a specific purpose to help you manage your documents and projects efficiently. The My Folders section is where your personal files reside, and Team Folders are shared spaces for collaborating with your team. To move a folder, navigate to the section where the folder currently exists. If it's a personal folder, it'll be under My Folders. Click on the folder you want to move. You'll see a series of options, usually represented by icons at the top of the interface, which includes a Move option. Whether you're repositioning personal folders to better reflect your working style or reorganizing team folders to optimize project timelines, this option is key. Now, when you click Move, a new window or sidebar will open. In this area, you will see the entire directory structure of your WorkDrive. Take your time to explore this view as it mirrors the layout of your storage space, providing a hierarchical view of all available folders. This intuitive interface ensures you can visualize exactly where you're planning to place your folder within the broader workspace. Carefully scroll through or use the search functionality if you're dealing with a large number of folders. Select the destination folder where you want to move the selected folder. At this stage, a good practice is to review the folders you're overseeing to avoid any potential confusion or file misplacements. Confirm your choice and then click Move again to finalize the process. After completing these steps, you'll quickly notice that your folder has been moved to the newly designated area. Reorganizing your files can improve efficiency, and locating important data becomes significantly easier. To ensure that everything is in order, double-check the new location by navigating to it and verifying the folder and its contents are correct. By regularly updating your folder structure and making use of WorkDrive's organizational tools, you and your team will enjoy a smoother, more streamlined workflow. If you found this guide helpful and want to learn more about managing your documents in Zoho WorkDrive, be sure to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!